In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your CDkeys discount code in December. You can simply get the CDkeys promo code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. On the Safari search bar, type in CDkeys discount code December. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 30% off CDkeys coupon code. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to CDkeys. Make sure you enter your email right here to get the latest CDkeys coupons every December. Go to the CDkeys website. Paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. Double check down and see if your promo code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get CDkeys discounts every December. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.